Yo, yo, yo. What is up, everybody? I hope you're having a good weekend so far. We're going to discuss the emotional test that pretty much everyone is failing in the crypto space right now. And I'm going to show you exactly why. So, crypto investing is a psychological test. 90 to 99% of people fail at it. You guys know the reasons why the crypto market is in red. I don't want to get political. I'm never going to get political in my live streams. I don't care. And it's just not my place, okay? I'm a crypto YouTuber, so I'm going to talk about crypto. But I can tell you that Black Swan events have always happened in the history of crypto. And this is the make or break moment in which investors actually make money or lose money. So there's two sides of the coins, right? There's the people that just, this is, the world is going to turn to shit. All crypto is going to go to zero. All fiat money is going to go to zero. Everything goes to zero. I panic, I sell, and I don't know. I just move to Argentina and get some cows. You know, some people think like that. Some other people, on the other end, they actually think that the prices are very red. Therefore, this is the time to actually buy the crypto, to actually take advantage of the discounts. I made a video yesterday, and then the prices went down even more. So the video that I made yesterday about the discounts before the halving is actually even more relevant in this very moment because those projects have dipped even further. So it makes it like a fantastic moment to keep DCAing. So in today's live stream, we're going to discuss what projects I would particularly DCA right now, what's my plan, and another thing before I actually start with the project, etc. This was another big thing. A lot of you guys were telling me, bro, why do you have so much money that you left on the side? Why don't you go all in now? We're seeing this price. Oh my God, whatever, blah, blah, blah. And I said, listen, I've seen it all. We either have a dip after the Bitcoin halving or right before. There's no in between. It is stupid to just FOMO at these prices because you think that, Bitcoin all-time high, ETFs, blah, blah. It was stupid to FOMO. It was stupid to FOMO. And this is why I was saying, DCA, start buying a bit right now, keep buying later. If you go all in now, you're going to miss the dips that are occurring now. And you look back and be like, a few months from now and like, okay, these were actually the moments in which I should have bought, right? I think that everybody would agree on that. So this is why I was saying that. This is why I was slowly DCAing and keeping a large bag of USDT on the side as a percentage of my portfolio. 40%, around 40% of my portfolio value was kept in stablecoin or fiat ready to deploy. And I'm starting to deploy it now when I'm seeing these big discounts. Of course, my private group know what I'm buying already, what I keep on accumulating, and all the gems that are private to my group. There's a lot, and there's plenty more coming your way, guys. There's a couple that are under my radar. I could send a buy alert in very soon, very soon. Expect something next week for sure. So good stuff. That is all I can say. And let's actually get started with the live stream now. Let's get started. Let's bring back the sheet of the live stream. Music, not the Marco, because this is the big one. This is the big one. And not a lot of things are changing in this very moment, guys. My top 7 is pretty much still. Kaspa is having, prices that we haven't seen in a long time. So all those people that were saying, $1 before the halving, right now you're probably stupid and you're probably, living in your mom's basement. You probably moved there. So anyway, Kaspa at these levels, I think that it could do an relatively easy 15x. So this is why I would not hesitate buying Kaspa below the 12 cents. Very, very good point to accumulating. Manta is another project that has suffered a lot. It's on my honorable mention, but fantastic discount. Make or break deal. MinLayer, I keep accumulating MinLayer. MinLayer is actually publishing a new partnership. I was looking before almost every single day. So to me, it's just a no-brainer that when the halving actually takes place, MinLayer is going to be one of the top gainers. AI Tech, another project that everybody was saying, should I buy now? Cipro, is this a good time to hedge? No, shut up. Stupid. Because it was stupid to FOMO at the prices of 50 cents when I know that every healthy chart goes to higher highs, but also higher lows. The previous low was here. We got a low now. Everything is higher and higher. But don't be the kind of guy that buys the top, because we're always going to be experiencing another bottom in which you can further accumulate your bags. I cannot stress this enough, and you guys need to understand that. Okay, before I move forward, let's actually get to the live chat a little bit. Subs is in the house. What's up, bro? Hit the likes. I have less than 300 subs needed to hit the 100. I wish 100. 10K mark. So we're not that far off. Please help me. I'm giving you free alpha today. It takes 1 single second. It's completely free to drop a like. And I'm forever grateful for you if you do that. It takes a second. It really helps me more than you think, you know. Very much is title and thumbnail. Yes, it is, but people need to really understand, man. And you could argue that it's clickbait or not, but it's really not clickbait to me, because a lot of people need some emotional talk right now. A lot of people need to understand that this is the moment in which you buy, because a lot of people are just waiting for the worst to happen before they think of buying. It's not a better time to DCA than, from yesterday to today, etc. DexNet, great token with great utility. Please have a look. I'll take a look. What's it called? DexNet. I don't think I've heard about this. The market cap is not listed. Chart is loading. Why is it so slow? Okay. When did it launch? Just launched 5 days ago, so of course it's very hard for me to give you an opinion. Let's see the website maybe. Invest World Expo? What? Every investor will receive an expo. Why did it change? What the fuck? Wait, what? Okay. Decentralized services, cloud, mobile communications, dedicated servers. Okay. A node in the global. What's the utility of this exactly? Okay. Seems a bit freaky. Do I have a white paper? So what's a DEX node? Is a device with high performance processor, large SSD, NFT authenticator. Well, it seems that it actually has a use case and utility. I would have to research this a bit deeply, because it seems a bit complicated to understand in in a couple of minutes. Shut the fuck up. A couple of minutes to just understand this. Roadmap. Let's see. It just launched as well, so very hard to make a correct evaluation. Decentralized crypto bank? Launch of a decentralized cryptocurrency bank on the blockchain with Visa cards? What the fuck? Really? Is it doxed? Yes, it is. Our money. Nice. Wow. I know where this place is. Okay. Okay, sounds interesting. I'm gonna take a look further. It definitely sounds appealing. Just launched. Probably the market cap is extremely low, because the fully diluted evaluation is only 8 million. Yeah, very curious to see what the market cap is. Thank you for bringing it up to me. Sounds interesting. Smash up the likes for the channel and case mother-in-law. Nice. All right. Near protocol, are you for real? Who cares? More money for the dips. More money for the dips. Driving my 92 Honda Civic for another year isn't so bad. You probably need to endure for another few months before you can actually perhaps changing your car. But I would just wait and keep investing money until, the peak of the boom, and then you can actually get a nice car. So keep driving your Honda Civic and keep doing what you're doing. You ran out of capital? Oh my God, bro. I told you should still have some money. I always told you, bro. You still need mid-layer and Chirply, and you're out of money. Say you were in the middle of divorce. Which one of the following coins would you give as part of your alimony agreement? XRP, Pepe, Dog with Fat. I wouldn't give XRP because XRP is a stable coin, but Pepe and Dog with Fat are all going to zero. So I would give those because your divorced spouse is going to be extremely disappointed. I've bought a little. Tomorrow will dip a bit more. Very hard to say because we could see a clear manipulation of the institutions, after all this, after retail dump all their bags, institutions could actually buy and change the, the sentiment of the market. It's very early to say, and yeah. You definitely want to buy a little bit more. Not financial advice, but this is actually what I'm doing myself, What a candle for AWT. How's AWT doing? Oh, green candle. Whoa. Really? Sheesh. Okay. Nice. I have no idea what this pumped. Cool stuff, bro. Cool story. Don't you think anyone who paid attention to Bitcoin dominance, fear, and greed index had an idea we were going to get a dip? No, because in my opinion, the fear and greed index is still a bit skewed. I mean, I think that before the dip, we were at like 72 or something like that. That was the last time I checked. So, yeah. I don't think it was a good indicator because we still had the fear and greed index quite high compared to the price of altcoins because 72 for altcoins that were already pretty much at a discount before the dip of last night or whatever time it was for me. It was night for me. Yeah, so I don't think so. Hit the likes, guys. Bought some search and middle layer in the recent dip. Keep accumulating these. Well done, my friend. Well done, Andrew. I'd also add Souls or OTK. Which one of these two would you choose to accumulate right now? Probably Souls, just because of the fact that it's smaller in market cap. And OTK, I do think that for the long term, it's probably a much better investor than Souls. But if you're looking for a quick gain, I would say Souls. It really depends on your goals, my friend. I don't want to... I don't know your situation specifically, but it all depends on what kind of goals you're after, what kind of risk tolerance you have, etc., etc. Go for OTK. You say OTK. Search is a great project, very undervalued. The Redbird is absolutely not a scam. Our bags are packed, and we're super bullish on it. You guys probably don't know, but because you think it's a scam or whatever, but they have a new version of the platform that is coming very, very shortly. New rumors of exchange listings, partnerships. They've been like pumping partnerships almost every single day for the last 3 months. So absolutely, no longer a scam. Let's call it like that. We're done accumulating. So, I mean, if you're in my group, guys, you've probably been accumulating Chirpy for a very long while. And if you're not in my group, you should consider joining because, you would make a lot of money during this dips because you would accumulate the picks that, and every time that I send a buy alert, accumulation alert in real time, you can just directly follow that and you see your money pump as a result. It's not rocket science. I was recently restructured my tiers. Elite is still the top value for money and the one that you should probably join, at least for 99% of people. But the Cadet is a good alternative. All the details are right there on my website. First link down in the description or the QR code that you see above my head. Any clarifications, let me know in the live chat. I'll be happy to reply. But this, let's say, is an entry-level tier. You can see my buy alerts directly. So if you're just interested in the buy alerts, that probably this one is for you. If you're interested into all of the other benefits that you see here, then the elite tier is for you. And if you are in the high six figures to second figures and you want mentorship and a one-to-one guidance, join the whale group. And no, this is not a pre-buy alert group because I'm not a scammer, unlike 99% of the groups that you see out there that have the pre-buy alerts. No, fuck that. I'm keeping it real with you guys. So I hope to see you there. Any questions, let me know down in the live chat. Last chance to get AWT. Look at the candle. Yeah, I wouldn't buy now though. I mean, it just pumped like 30% in one day. I wouldn't buy in this very moment. But the last chance was when it was below 002, in my opinion. Now it's still a great chance in the overall scheme of things. So yeah. Bro, apologies. Like, I'm a bit confused like with my setup and everything. So from next week, I'm gonna be more on time. So apologies for that. Of course, he was never as kind. We're just joking, bro. Buenas tardes desde Barcelona. My week is going great, my friend. And Barcelona is one of my favorite places, so I'm sure that you're doing great. Yeah, it's pumping. It's pumping. AWT pumping. 4 million at peak and panic sell when it goes down. This is what 99% of people do, and people still wondering why the majority of retail lose money. It's not rocket science to me. It's very sad to see, you know, that's unfortunately how it is. Careful in crypto gods. Chuck, I completely agree, my friend. What are you talking about? The fuck are you comment is? Stupid. And keep politics out of my live stream. Out of also respect of other people. All-time high before halving. I know it sounds insane, but why not? I mean, it did happen already. So are you talking about a new all-time high? Tectum is a freaking steal right now. I absolutely agree, Tim. I absolutely agree. It's absolutely insane. I think we touched below the $20 mark, right? 19 something was the low. Insane. Insane to me. This is an opportunity that a lot of people are gonna look back upon, and yeah. Yep. 80K this month? I don't believe so. Might happen though. Block asset. I think I looked into this, but I don't remember what it was. 39 million. This was probably an RWA project. Yeah, this was a project that launched. Full bear market. The chart doesn't look good, you know. It seems like every time that it pumps a little, they kind of try to take profit. 39 million, 1% volume. It's been out 2 years plus, only on Dexes and Gate. I don't see why you would be interested in that. And I'm not even looking at the utility or what the token actually represents, but just all those things combined, it just doesn't seem like a good buy opportunity for me. I want to convert my high-risk picks to mid-cap coins, which are down to the same percentage to reduce risks. That sounds like a very risky action, so I would think twice before you think of doing something of the sort, because we can't really tell where the market is going to go for the next few days. Two months ago, I got a job that I don't even need. 2 months ago, specifically to buy the dips. So glad I did. We're going to the moon. Well freaking done, Tim. I'm very happy and very happy for you, and keep doing what you're doing. That's amazing. Perfect DCA moment. Melvin, what's up, bro? Let's go. Absolutely, my friend. If I would give an advice for a newbie, it would be join a paid group. It makes things much easier, especially in a week like that. The second advice would be Cipro War Room. Andre, thank you so freaking much. And you've been in my group for quite a while, and I really appreciate you so freaking much. And see, my members say it. It's not just me saying it. And Andre, thank you so much. Much love to you. I bought all the other dips. I mean, that's good. That's good. But you always should have some dry powder. Learn from me. A lot of those AI projects with undock Steam and buy and sell tax rugged on this tip. You were right. Yeah, absolutely. I've said it. It's a very risky thing. The only one that I got was NetAnswer. It's the only buy and sell tax project that I bought. And I still have my doubts on it. I still think that it has potential, but I'm quite doubtful about it. But the fact that they keep listing on centralized exchanges at least leads me to believe that they have money to put. So you can see they listed on BigGet the other day. I don't know how it's doing. I think it could do well, and especially given that it's a BitTensor ecosystem, BitTensor being listed on Binance. This could have potential. It's not acting that well, but I don't think it's a rug. That's what I can say. The team said that they're removing the bias attacks. I never trust teams when they say things like this. If you want to gamble, maybe this is it. I treat this just as I would treat a meme coin, okay? I put a fraction of a fraction of a fraction of my portfolio. I will never put a crazy high allocation into something like this. So make sure to do your own research and see if you're up for a gamble. I wouldn't treat it as any different from an actual meme, okay? Realistic targets on Lithium, Chirply, and Tectum. You know, I'm not so good at price targets because I don't want to deceive people. I want to be more conservative than the majority of YouTubers that you see. So it's just very hard for me to say. I can tell you that Tectum, I would like to see it around a $500 mark. These probably the ones that are more realistic out of the the two others that you mentioned. Chirply, to me, can still do 100x plus from these levels. Very hard to make a price prediction. I haven't seen anything like it with a team like this, with a roadmap like this, etc., etc. I just haven't seen anything like that. And Lithium is, I would expect something closer to Tectum, but a little less gains, but a little more safety than Tectum, just because of how the tokenomics are structured and how the team is and how it's been marketing. I think the team of Lithium is also superior to the one of Tectum. But this is what I would tell on top of my head. I think that all the three that you mentioned are fantastic projects. Lithium will be the safest. Chirply will be the riskiest, but the one with more risk and reward potential. And Tectum will be something a bit in the middle. I would not enter AGI. I would just buy more AI tech. AI tech is a much superior choice than AGI, so I just really don't see the point. I think AGI is decent, but it just doesn't make any sense to me. You don't need to diversify so much all the freaking time just for whatever reason, you know? At least that's what I believe. Brian, thank you so much for the super chat, bro. I appreciate you. DYP, DPUs, multifaceted project, docs and no taxes, recently migrated. I appreciate you, my friend. I appreciate you, Brian. I'll check it out. DPUs. Okay, recently migrated, so let's go into the new one. 7 million. The chart looks quite decent, but I would have to look probably the all-time chart because they just have a new listing on CoinMarketCap. 20% volume to market cap ratio. It pumped and then it corrected. It is deep, I guess, yesterday. So it was pumping right before exchange listing these and HTX, which for a lot of people you consider a tier 1. I would consider a tier 2, at least in my eyes. Decentralized ecosystem, focus on scalability and security. Okay, so it's security project, I guess. What's the market cap? 7 million. Security supply 38, looks decent. I don't want to migrate. Shut up. So the migration is still in progress, I guess. At least they migrated before the halving. Audited by Certic. DPU's Metaverse. Okay. How many products do they have? Staking, not super high returns. Okay, so they have a bunch of dApps. Let's see if I can see stuff without connecting my wallet or something. Let's say they have a launchpad. Okay, so they have a launchpad as well. Okay, let's see what I can find out real quick. Wow, the partners are huge. Nice. You say it's doxed, so I believe you. The team is there, all doxed. This guy has a captain hat, so I would absolutely trust him because I have exactly the same hat. Nice. This guy must have worked a lot because lost all of his hair. Nice. Good. Okay. Looks professional. I will have to check a little these people. Mobile game. It seems like they have a ton of stuff. So Metaverse, stablecoin integration, good yields, an old DeFi dApp ecosystem. This sounds like a very ambitious project. How the fuck is this 7 million in market cap? How is this so small in market cap? What's the social media presence? 127. So it's not super tiny, but the market cap is really small. Do they do other stuff as well? It sounds good, and it also covers it for different narratives. I would just be a little hesitant right now due to the migration. What did they migrate to anyway? Is this bridge to 3 different chains? Sounds very interesting. I'll give you that. Thank you so much for the find, and yeah, I'll check it out. Frank, I don't know why your post is always deleted, but if you say banned words or if you post links, your comment gets deleted. Live chats don't allow for links. So sometimes people get their comments deleted for that. So I don't know, but I'm not seeing anything. And if I see your comment and I haven't read it yet, it's because I have a ton of comments. So I'm taking my time because there's a ton of people watching this live stream. And to this, guys, just drop a like. If you just joined the live stream, it really helps me so freaking much. I'm so close to 10K subs. Just a like, free alpha, free like. It's all free. All right. Another super chat. Tibor, thank you so much, bro. Happy Sunday to you, man. Ordify partner to min layer. Team is doxed. Oh, I've seen so many Ordi projects that I don't even remember if I've seen this before. By the way, min layer is another one on the top projects to buy in this dip. So like I say. I think I saw an announcement, didn't I? Ordify. Ordify World. Okay. Orphe, is that the ticker? Orphe? I don't think I've heard about this project before. Quite new. 3 million. There's not a ton of utility, is it? Wow, there's big backing in this project. Launchpad, bridge and wallet. Is it on ordinals? It's on BNB, the token itself. Okay. Okay, so they have a wallet, bridge. It seems something similar to what Orange was doing, for instance, but they have a launchpad, so could actually be big just because of that. Is this doxed, by the way? I guess it's not. Let's find out real quick. I don't see anything of... I don't see anything for the team. 100 million supply. I mean, tokenomics to the core, right? Nothing out of the ordinary. What was the utility again? Okay, staking and DAO governance, nobody really cares, but airdrop access, free, fucking hell, that's really good actually. Holding a minimum percentage of tokens in the Satoshi tier, so I guess they have a tier system, allows you access to free tokens provided by projects that advertise on our wallet and launch on our path. Wow. So it's not like a launchpad that you get the chance to invest to private sales. You actually get airdrops. by being in a good tier. So you have to stake the tokens. You get access to the tier. You get free airdrops. That's pretty fucking cool. Okay. Seems decent. Partner with mid layer. They're probably making moves. Pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. I'll definitely consider that. Thank you so much. Got another super chat. Guys, you're too kind today. Double A. Just wanted to tell you, since I joined your group, it has been an amazing experience. It has been an amazing community. Thank you for our work. Thank you so much. Reading comments like this really make my day. So I appreciate you. Thank you so freaking much, Double A. And I'm glad to have you on board. Thank you so much. All right, let's go back to the live chat. Not enough likes. I know. Just take a second. Why don't people realize that it's free? I'm just doing this for free. I would at least deserve a like. I'm so close to 10K, and I have a massive announcement when 10K. Actually, multiple things. Bunch of stuff coming your way, and yeah. Oh my God. You don't see it coming. If you have any guesses, put it down in the live chat. If actually somebody gets it right, I'm going to reveal it now. But I don't think anybody will get it. It's quite unexpected. Is it a good time to buy Livestream and Lit? I wouldn't buy Livestream now just because of the fact that I've been telling you so many freaking times to buy at 3 cents and below 3 cents that even if we dip now, we're still another 30-40% up from my actually golden zone of Livestream accumulation. So I would tell you no, but if somebody's new to Livestream, by all means, I think it's still good. And when it comes to Lit, yes, absolutely yes, we are below the 2 cent mark. This is just a godsend. Anything below 3 cents for Lit to me is a fantastic accumulation zone, and everything below 2 cents is just like a proper discount. Compete. Did that project ever get centralized exchange listings? Listen, I don't like what the team is doing. I don't like the fact that I know that they're like, oh, we're gonna launch centralized exchanges once the market is bullish, blah 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 blah. But what does it cost you to? I mean, it costs you some money to list on Maxi or whatever. But you would expand this project so freaking much. So I don't know if the project is just looking scammy or the developers are lazy. It's just a lazy project. That's what I can tell you. The altcoin season, if I were to guess, I would say sometimes the summer. End of the summer, perhaps. Oh, you're a YouTuber too? I'll have to check you out, bro. I'll check you out. New YouTubers. I mean, I can't give so much advice because I'm far from my goals still, and I'm still relatively new. I've been on YouTube for like 6 months, maybe 6 months. I think around 6 months. Just starting, got a lot of stuff. So any advice? Keep it growing. Keep your content. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate you. Just be consistent. The thing that helped me grow at the beginning was being consistent. I posted content every single day, sometimes twice a day, for at least a couple of months. So just keep going, keep doing what you're doing, and I'll have to check you out, man. Yeah, just be consistent. Consistency is key, and honesty. Consistency and honesty in equal amounts. Iconex, I'm not interested. Stop asking me. Every live stream, Jesus Christ. People are so emotional. Just buy the dip. Kaya, I absolutely agree with you. Should I trade Neon and Miria for your RWA secret pick or Livestream? So my RWA secret pick, it's probably one of the best things that you can accumulate right now. You guys will probably, you will have to join my private group to know which one that is. But I would accumulate that, and I would accumulate Livestream if it dips again. Otherwise, I'm sure that you have your bags of Livestream packed already. But I can tell you that Neon and Miria, I would maybe consider Miria, but Neon, I think it's gonna pump very, very soon because you probably know that they announced a Coinbase listing and then they took that back, probably because it was an intern or some news that has been leaked or something. But if they made a post, it is at least in the books. Maybe they were like, okay, we have a Coinbase listing incoming, but we actually want to launch when the market is more favorable. That is what I'm hearing some of the projects are planning. So maybe they said, okay, let's actually just wait a couple more months when retail is actually in, when retail is going to FOMO, because retail is not really in this very moment. So if they FOMO right now, there's not going to be as much liquidity. Okay. Prop chain is good, but stop shilling your bag. No, I'm not going to look at IDEX. It's a terrible project. No, there's not going to be any giveaway. I'm going to have one in the future, though, but it's unrelated. Can you show your low watch list? Yes, absolutely, bro. There you go. Ran into celebs in Dubai. Yeah, just randomly, though. Countdowns to the halving. This will be my first time watching live. The moment it happens, can we expect price action? Probably some sell the news event. But it's probably not immediate, to be honest. I wouldn't be like, oh, halving clock done, sell, short. No, it's not like that. I think I've actually missed a lot of comments. Oh my god, too many comments today, guys. Okay, give me a second. Can you talk about the benefits of the whale tier in your private community? Yeah, absolutely. So actually, let me bring it up real quick, bro. It's essentially everything that you see in the elite tier that you're well aware of, everything included, but then you also get my Telegram contact, so we can chat with a much faster turnaround, and I can maybe give you some extra alpha or things that I'm working on before I bring them to the Discord. But it's mostly for having a 1 hour of video meetings with me. So we're going to schedule 2 meetings in a month of 30 minutes each, in which you're actually going to take me, as a mentor, and we're going to go through that. And you're also going to get access to my inner circle. So there is a private chat, which a few selected ones included. And you're going to get extra alpha and extra exclusive value, but you're not going to get buy alerts before I send them out. So that you're not going to get. But yeah, I'm happy to chat further, bro, if you need any clarifications. Thanks for keeping it real and level-headed, Raj. Thanks so much, bro. Appreciate you. Frank, I still don't know what you were trying to talk about. Patrick, Bitcoin is dipping. It's probably going to keep ranging until, or dipping a little bit. But we can expect some sort of price movement with the institutional money on Monday. That's what I would say. Yeah, bro, I think that you were, I don't know if you saw, but in my group we posted that, but they posted a tweet on the Neon page, Coinbase listing, we're proud to announce, blah, blah, and then they deleted. So unless the account got hacked or some stuff, we can expect an actual Coinbase listing. It's just that, probably they changed the timing or they were not supposed to reveal the information. But the tweet was there. Bitcoin boss in the house. What's up, man? My own coin? No, I'm not planning to make any coins, to be honest. Nobody gets it right, bro. You think Kaspa can get to $1 in 2024? No, I don't believe so. I think maybe if you're really being optimistic, maybe 50, 70 cents, perhaps $1 at the beginning of next year. And then if the big exchanges come, we're going to go into $1.5 to $2, especially also if we have what's called the KRC20 tokens, the smart contracts, and all of that. Ozone, yeah, I would be happy to do an actual deep dive on that project. I think it's decent. It's a Metaverse project, if you guys are not aware of it. Let's actually grab it. I haven't checked this project in ages, to be honest. Yeah, I mean, I don't want to say that it's an unhealthy correction. I think it's okay, actually. Around 50%, that's good. Crazy gains that this project has made. It's only 5 million. Has had a good correction. This is actually quite good outlook. It's only on Max and Bitmar and BinMax. Yeah, I've researched this a little. Let's actually check it out again. It's another Metaverse project, guys. There's nothing like crazy revolutionary. The investors are there. There's probably, a big... Let me check actually what the roadmap looks like to actually see if I would consider it. Is it shared here? Can't see it. It's also doxed, which is good. Okay, is the roadmap, I guess? Or is it just listings? Okay, so trading value, governance, earnings, staking, blah, blah. World builders can integrate. So, I mean, it's usual utility that you would expect from it. Anyway, I had looked into it. I like it. And I think that this is a very good correction. I don't want to be super diversified Metaverse project. I already own a couple. It's not the most bullish narrative on the market. So I would also take it with a pinch of salt. Crypto John traded H-bar for Kaspa. I mean, well done to him. Win, Crypto John. How do I talk my friends into doing the same? Do you even have friends with H-bar? Bro. They should probably tell them to watch my channel. Maybe they'll reconsider. Win Crypto John, though. Possible Coinbase listing for Neon. The thing would fucking explode. Absolutely. But I also know that a lot of people don't even know what Neon is. So I would also think that it's a bit too niche for the normies in some sort of way. Don't get me wrong. I think that would make the price explode. But when we had the fake announcement, the price hasn't really moved. But we also know that the price, the buying action occurs before, and it's probably, the exchange itself buying a shitload of tokens. And then when it actually gets listed, we have a sell the news event. So listen, I just don't know when it's going to come, but it's probably going to come. And also, it's already listed on crypto.com, so they probably have money, and the project is probably like very ambitious for the future. So absolutely. Got a good one. Cat with fat. What the fuck, bro? Un video más, mi gente, Este comentario me acuerda a una mujer que yo tenía. What the fuck? What am I doing? Is it this one? Wow. Very, very revolutionary project, it seems like. Doesn't even look. I'm more of a cat person than a dog person, so... Damn. Beautiful. How's the chart? I'm actually surprised. Did it just launch? I mean, 10 days ago. I mean... I don't know, bro. What the hell? Oh my god. Honestly... Who buys this shit? Also, I think the memes are still going strong. But the memes that are going strong, according to the people that I speak with and actually are making some money with memes, lose some money, but maybe, make more than they lose, is the retarded memes. So I think one of this was, what was it called? Let me see if I can grab it. Was it this one? I don't even know. Wait, maybe I can find it with Dex tools. You know, the retarded memes of like politicians and super stupid stuff like this. You know? Yeah, this one has been fine, for instance. I'm not telling you to invest into this, like, do this at your own risk. I'm not touching them because I don't really need to make these crazy, weird risks. But if you're interested in memes, probably just try to trade this, but get in and get out, because this is how a meme works, right? You get in, make the money, you get out. Otherwise, and treat it as a gamble. Don't put more money than you can afford to lose. Put 0.01% of your portfolio into anything. Just go on X. There is a bunch of these, and just see what the social media action is, and if it's memeable, I guess. I honestly am not gonna touch it. This is actually 71 million in market cap. Blows my mind that there's so much money into this kind of projects. But anyway, that's a story for another video. I'm not gonna talk about these things. No, soil is not the RWA pick, and even if it was, I still would not tell you because I'm obviously not gonna reveal it. DPUs have 3 tokens? What do you mean? They migrated. 3 tokens in the sense they are on 3 chains? Or 3 different projects? I'm not sure what you mean. I really don't understand what you mean. I'm gonna put the watch list again, sorry. Should actually put it on site. Yeah, I'm not thinking of adding anything else to honorable mentions or anything. Yeah. What I can tell you is that I'm gonna reveal my RWA pick in maybe 10 days or so. I'm gonna reveal it. So if you're looking to buy before I actually reveal it, before the price actually pumps, you should probably get it now because nobody's talking about this, and this is gonna end up as being one of my top gainers for this coin bull, if not the top gainer. So you definitely wanna get in before this actually is public. That's what I can say. You do you. Of course, choice is yours. D-mail. Can't even remember what that was. $13 million. Which a couple months ago. Decent exchange listing. Okay, yes, Gate, Bybit. It's weird that it's this small, and also the volume is so high. It's almost a 1-to-1 relation between volume and market cap. It's actually on the upper end. Intelligent secure messaging. Encrypted emails. Who the fuck cares? Encrypted emails. There's so many Web 2 ones. You gotta give me some little better than that. This is interesting though. Can analyze users' wallets using AI algo to segment user profile. It's a bit like World War III, mind control, 1984 thing, to be honest. Get access to a database. I think that this is going to incur into some kind of regulation in the future. I think it's a bit too niche. I think that there's already Web2 products that do this better, probably, I would suppose. And also this thing of touching personal data, it seems a bit too sensitive as a topic. So I probably wouldn't invest into something like this. Text to price action is absolutely beautiful. I give you that. I give you that. Anything below $30 is a steal. And below 20 shouldn't even be legal. Soil is a jam. Soil pumped already. Why are you talking about projects that pumped already? Should I buy the dip or wait? Bro, you should. watch the stream from the beginning because I've talked about that already. But the short answer is buy most of this dip, but also keep some dry powder for the next week or so, because we're probably going to see some movements, but I don't think that these prices are also going to last that long. So check the beginning of the live stream and also check the video that I posted yesterday, because I've talked about these things in very much detail. Thank you, surprise streaming straight out of a crypto fair with an amazing Stargate team, bro. What you say, man? Tonson Yaku. Have I removed that? I think I've removed it. Yeah, I think there's better Metaverse projects out there. And I don't want to diversify myself too hard on Metaverse projects, but I do believe that Yaku is decent. I think that the partners that they have are good. But I just don't know if I would make an honorable mention. I don't think it's a bad choice, though. Bricken. I think the chart already answers your question. It's just like dip, poof, buy, pump, dump. Why would you buy something that looks like this? See the website real quick. The chart doesn't look good at all. Okay, there's good names. Real estate, entertainment. Okay, it actually touches... Well, it touches a lot of different things, actually. Gym, even gyms, supermarkets, sports, music. Okay, I would probably have to research this a little. Is this doxed? Okay. Bunch of people. Nice. Okay. They have 65K. Could have potential, not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie, but I also not gonna lie that the chart doesn't look good at all. How long has it been now? A little less than 1 year. It's on Maxi. I'll do some more research. I'll let you know. Doesn't seem bad. Doesn't seem that bad. Projects on base. No, I mean, yes, but the ones that I've seen really haven't been that great. So I have looked into it. I think it's going to be a great narrative, but I don't think that I've seen anything that is worth my attention so far. I would have to research DPS more, but I don't see that big of a deal with the migration. Like, I don't know. I just don't know the full story, so I'm just giving them the benefit of the doubt. It's just too early to make conclusions for me. The biggest lesson that I've had in crypto, probably managing emotions, and the lesson that would be the most applicable for people now, because I just think that people need to understand that these moments are not the end all be all. If you see your portfolio that goes to half in a few hours, a lot of people would just like, okay, fuck, I'm done with crypto. I've lost all of my money. But this is actually when people make money. So manage your emotions. Never go all in. Don't be a maxi of any project. Always diversify your investments. I mean, Warren Buffett used to say that diversification is the cure to stupidity or some shit like that, whatever. This is what bro used to say. But anyway, very freaking important. And also, until you sell, you really haven't made money. That is also the other big important lesson. Sunday fun day, when the market opens Monday, I was sitting we see a jump. I actually do believe that the markets are going to react positively on Monday. That's what I would believe, because I think that Bitcoin is still going to keep ranging, and I think that the market sentiment is going to just change a little bit. Absolutely, boss. Absolutely. As the old age bar by a small percentage, consider swap. The tax is just stupid. Patrick, no financial advice, but if I were in your spot, I would probably do so and get rid of it. And you can wait for H bar to go to highs and then swap for something better. But if you actually sell now, even at a loss, even with taxes or whatever, and then you buy something that actually in the meantime pumps more, you end up making more money in the long term. So I hope it makes sense. That's the catch, all right? That's the thing that actually should push you towards making the best decision. So I hope that was helpful. Okay, guys, I'm going to end the live stream right now. Thank you for spending some of your Sunday with me. I wish you the best. I wish you that you have some money on the side to buy the dips. And I would also recommend you guys join my group, because this is the place to be if you actually want to be a non-emotional investor, if you actually want to be successful and part of the 1% that actually makes money in crypto. People actually make money in my group. I can't say the same thing about the majority of the other groups out there. So I hope to see you there. Happy hour with your crypto investing journey very, very soon. I wish you a great rest of the day. Bye-bye. Take care. Much love.